Measuring efficiency is important, but more important is knowing why a machine has stopped. Instant notifications are one of the strongest features of the system. The moment a machine is idle but still consuming power, the system generates a notification so direct action can be taken, preventing the waste of electricity. The MBOX has notifications buttons to allow the operator to notify what the problem is. Notifications buttons are different for each machine. Molding, quality problem, no material, machine defective, no operator, mold defective, or drying material. For CNC and EDM, we also have program problem, change parts, and for EDM wire cut, change wire. For every notification, the supervisor on duty must give feedback as to the cause of the interruption and how it will be solved to make sure direct actions are taken. For assembly, staff doesn't give notifications, but the system generates them. If the assembly takes 20% on average longer or shorter than the target time, the system will generate a notification. If the reject rate, set individually per assembly, is higher than the target, the system will generate a notification so direct action can be taken. The system is very flexible. You can set per person which notifications he or she gets. For example, Aaron gets notifications for his locations only and for the planning and quality problems in only his department. Jarvis gets notifications for all locations, all the departments, but only the machine problems. If you use MBOX staff tracking, which keeps track of who is on the premises and their working hours, you can set notifications to go only to staff on the premises. So when people are off work, they don't get disturbed by the notifications. If you want notifications when you're off premises, you can allow that all the time or limit the time when you get them. Thank you for watching this video. If you are interested in our products or have any questions, please contact monitor-box.com.